So welcome to the course E8005 Special Electrical Machines Unit number 3 Permanent Magnet Brushless DC Motors. So here in this section we are going to see the working principles of permanent magnet brushless DC motor. So the conventional DC motors are highly efficient and their characteristics make them suitable for use as servo motors. However, there are only drawbacks as they need a commutator and brushes which are subject to wear and require maintenance. When the functions of the commutator and the brushes were implemented by solid state switches, maintenance free motors were realized. These motors are known as brushless DC motors. The function of magnets is the same in both brushless motor and the DC commutator motor. The motor obviously advantage of brushless configuration in the removal of brushes. Brush maintenance is no longer required and many problems associated with the brushes are removed. An advantage of the brushless configuration in which the rotor inside the stator is that more cross-sectional area is available for the power or armature winding. At the time conduction of heat through the frame is provided greater specific torque. The efficiency is likely to be higher that of the commutator rotor of equal size and the absence of brush friction. The construction feature of brushless permanent motors or the construction diagram is shown. So the stator of the motor is made up of silicon steel stampings. The slots accommodate either a closed or open distributed armature winding. Usually it is closed one. This winding is to be wound for the specified number of poles. This winding is suitably connected to the DC supply through a power electronic switching circuitry named as electronic commutator. So rotor is made up of forged steel. Rotor accommodates permanent magnet. Number of poles of the rotor is same as that of the stator. The rotor shaft carries a rotor position sensor. This position sensor provides information about the position of the shaft at any instant to the controller, which sends suitable signals to the electronic commutator. So here the merits and demerits are like there is no field winding is one of the merits. Size of the motor becomes less. It is possible to have very high speeds. It is self-starting motor. Speed can be controlled. Motor can be operated in hazardous atmospheric condition. The demerits like field cannot be controlled. Power rating is restricted because of the maximum available size of permanent magnets. The rotor position sensor is required. A power electronic switch circuitry is required.